feels cold and hard to bear, open your heart, show them you care. A simple touch, a gentle smile can move the mountains in a while. When love's the language we all speak, we lift the broken, heal the weak. So share the light that's deep inside, let it shine, let it guide. Kindness is the key that opens every door. A little love can turn less into more. Raise your heart, lift your soul higher. Love like the flames, set the world on fire. When we give, we receive, and the whole world will believe. In a love so true, so kind, that it changes every mind. Raise your frequency to the skies, let love make you rise, 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 rise. In every moment, in every breath, we choose the path that conquers death. To live in grace, to live in peace, is to let all hatred cease. Forgive the pain, forget the strife. Speak words of hope, give back life. In every heartbeat, let love start. Sharing joy from your heart. Compassion is the way we reach so high. With every soul we touch, we learn to fly. Raise your heart, lift your soul higher. Love like the flames, set the world on fire. When we give, we receive, and the whole world will believe. In a love so true, so kind, that it changes every mind. Raise your frequency to the skies, let love make you rise, 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 rise. With every act of love we climb to heights beyond, outside of time. Lift your hands, lift your voice, make the world a place to rejoice. Raise your heart, lift your soul higher. Love like the flames, set the world on fire.